Smart folders in LifeHub are guided checklists that make it simple to get organized for life's common situations. To create a smart folder, select the plus sign in the folder section of the left-hand navigation bar. For this example, select the Evacuation Orders Smart Folder, which helps you access critical information during a natural disaster. The Smart Folder guide will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the first section, select Meetup Instructions, and link your item from the pop-up. Do the same for the following sections. If you prefer not to add an item, you can simply check it off manually. Navigate through other sections by clicking on them. If the guide is closed, you can reopen it anytime by selecting Open Guide under the folder banner. Share this folder with other users invited to your LifeHub by clicking the Share button on the right and adjusting the user's access. To change the name or color of the folder, click the three-dot menu on the folder in the left-hand navigation bar. You can also manually create a folder by selecting the plus sign in the folder section of the navigation bar. From here, you can create additional smart folders or set up a custom folder. Simply add a name, description, color, and even a cover image, then click Create. Finally, select Add Item to quickly search and add items from your LifeHub into this folder.